Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Inventor tutorial how to loop flange. So you can go to sheet metal, click at this icon, convert to sheet metal, and to create loop flange, you need to create for to sketch. So I will create to the sketch. I will choose top plane. For the first sketch, I will draw a circle, click finish sketch, and then I will create new plane. You can click on the origin. This I will choose XG plane and then I will move to the top a bit. Okay. After it, select this plane and create start to the sketch. The second object, I will draw rectangle. Click finish sketch. Next, you can click loop flange, this icon. Okay, you can select for the first profile a circle and the second profile this rectangle. I will set into this output and you can click OK to apply. Okay, that's it for basic Inventor tutorial, how to loop flange. If you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.